Choose the right institute for yourself with the help of mytingly.com. Welcome to T. John Institute of Technology, Bangalore, one of India's premier engineering institutions providing quality-based education since 2006. T. John Institute of Technology offers PE in various disciplines such as Civil, Computer Science, Information Science, Mechanical, Electronics and Communication, and M.Tech in Machine Design, Computer Networking, Computer Science, VLSI and Digital Communications. For the list of verified information, look up T. John Institute of Technology, Bangalore on mytingly.com. Top 5 reasons why you should consider to join T. John Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Infrastructure. Located in the IT capital of India, T. John Group of Institution has a sprawling campus size spreading over 26 acres with 5 acres dedicated to its engineering infrastructure. College is equipped with the state-of-the-art facilities to encourage learning and knowledge sharing. The institute has 40 labs allocated to its engineering courses. There is a regular as well as a digital library offering resources across various fields. The meticulously designed IT infrastructure provides the students with 24/7 internet connectivity all over the campus. The campus has a sizable auditorium with a seating capacity of almost 1,000 students. Transportation facility has been made available for students with 7 buses currently plying to and fro the campus. The college provides in-house hostel facilities for both boys and girls with 37 rooms and 120 beds. There are 3 canteens and 2 coffee shops along with a multi-cuisine cafeteria. Along with academic excellence, T. John Institute of Technology has considerable sports facilities on campus for basketball, volleyball, cricket and other indoor games. Faculty. T. John Institute of Technology has a teaching atmosphere conducive to its vision of providing quality education. The college claims to have 163 faculties in engineering, striving to create a learning-based environment for the students paired with innovative practices and expertise. Placement activities. A few of the recruitment companies at T. John College of Engineering are Alpha 9 Marine Services, Aryaka Networks India Private Limited, Azim Technologies, Beacon, TCS, HP and others. As the institute claims, the highest salary offered to its students in BE for the batch 2015 is 6 lakhs per annum. Student life. The students at T. John Institute of Technology enjoy a diverse and vibrant atmosphere. A few of the fests and events organized at T. John Institute of Technology are RoboTrist, Project Expo and International Conference iSmart. Ranking and awards. T. John Institute of Technology has been honored with the Times Research Award 2013 for being the best engineering institute with excellent faculty and pedagogy in Karnataka. It has also been the recipient of the Deccan Chronicle Award for featuring in the top 10 institutions in India for its UG courses. For the list of verified information, look up T. John Institute of